Hey guys, Ken Reed with the Guide's Choice Hunting Adventures, and today you will not believe what we're hunting. Come on, let's go to the woods and see what we can get. Dadgummit. Man, we keep bumping these Zealand. Man, they are so fast. I can't believe how big they are. I don't know if we're gonna be able to kill one or not, to be honest with you. We're gonna get it done though. We'll go on up over this ridge right here and drop down in the bottom. We'll go ahead and climb all the way up the top and see if we can look down in the valley and see if we can catch them. There's one big bull in that batch. He should make a good mount. I'm gonna see if I can slip up here. There's a dirt mound on top of this ridge right here. I'm gonna get up there and see if I can see through here or not.
Mississippi Delta man, doing everything he can to fortify his people from the plan. See, this here is a sovereign state, and that boy's known to agitate. We'll take him out before he pollutes the land.
Okay, there they are right there. Telling you what, we've been chasing these eland around all over the place. I bet you I can get a shot right here. It's the third one. Third one right over to the left right there. Okay. All right. Okay. I got that log right there in the way. Got a tree right there. Right in his vitals. I think I can slip it by him though. Yes, got it, eland. Oh.
You walk a fine line down at the edge of a time.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how big he is. Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. Yeah, he's dead. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Wow. Oh my gosh, this bull's huge. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Man, I cannot believe how big he is. This thing's a monster. Wow. Oh, golly. What a monster bull. I can't believe how big he is. This thing's incredible. I'm sure the camera does no justice to this animal. This thing is the biggest freaking animal. This is the biggest animal I've ever harvested. What a monster eland bull. This thing's bigger than a draft horse. This is incredible. I tell you what, we stocked up on them and we got busted so many times. And these animals, I don't know what it is. It's like they know you're there. It was getting hot. This morning it was nice and cool here, but it started getting a little bit warm. We've bumped these animals several times. We've had to walk miles and miles and miles, but was able to close the distance about 350 yards. It wasn't that long of a shot. I've got great equipment, really reach out there. I had a tree that was right in the middle of the way. I was really worried about the vitals, but I slipped it right on in there. Big eland down. One heck of it was a long shot for me, even for an old one-eyed goat. But this is an incredible, beautiful animal. I'm so blessed to be able to harvest this animal. I can hear the guides coming up right now with the equipment to see if they can get this beast out. This is it was an awesome hunt. Great experience. Beautiful eland bull. This is gonna look great in the trophy room. If you guys have any questions, would like to harvest an eland, you need to give me a call. Go to your Facebook page, click on comments, ask me any question you like. We'll hook you up on this hunt. This is a very inexpensive hunt. You'll enjoy it. And plus you'll have a lot of meat to feed your family and have another beautiful trophy on your wall. Hey guys, you are watching the Guide's Choice Hunting Adventures, and don't go away because we got some more previews of next week's hunt. Man, what a beautiful animal. Big old eland bull. That's what I'm talking about right there.